I grew up in a can't buy it, make it. You break it, you fix it. You don't like it, you change it. If you can't change it, you give it to someone who can kind of home. It was our way of reducing, reusing, and recycling, something that was a big thing in the 90s, but has kind of dwindled off over the years due to the instant gratification of online shopping and influenced consumerism. So, when I inherited this statue, I knew I had a few options. I could make it into something I'd love, or I could donate it for someone to love. The thing is, I liked this statue. Not loved, liked. It reminded me of my mom and I. The problem was, we aren't white dress girlies. So, to make this statue feel more like us, I slapped on 2 coats of black acrylic paint, and there you have it. A quick fix, a personal choice, a way to remember someone I love, and to turn a piece from something I liked to something I'll treasure.